Hi everyone, we'd like to introduce you to the LD310, our best-selling zone leak detection controller. The LD310 can support up to 300 feet of RLE's patented conductive fluid leak detection cable, or up to 6 of RLE's SDZ spot detectors. Here you can see the LD310's small form factor makes it easy to install anywhere. We simply connect the provided leader cable to the unit, and then install our sensing cable, spot detectors, or really any combination of the two. Connect a 5-volt DC power supply, sold separately, and we are ready for simple zone leak detection. The LD310 has an audible alarm and a LED, so you'll see and hear an alert if you have a leak or a cable fault. The LD310 is a supervised system, which means it's always checking the cable to make sure it is working correctly and will let you know if there is a problem. If there is an alarm, simply press the reset button to acknowledge the alarm. The LD310 also has 2 relay outputs, one for leak alarm and one for the cable fault alarm. This allows you to integrate them into a larger monitoring system. Zone controllers like the LD310 are an effective and efficient option for monitoring drip trays and other small enclosed areas in any facility. To learn more about our leak detection projects, please visit our website.